Polynomial long division. We're going to divide 3x cubed minus 5x squared plus 10x minus 3 by 3x plus 1. So first, we're going to set up the long division, just like you did back in elementary school. So we put our dividend in the box, 3x cubed minus 5x squared plus 10x minus 3, and the divisor, 3x plus 1, outside of the box. Okay, next, looking at only the leading terms, so the 3x and the 3x cubed, I asked myself, 3x times what will give me 3x cubed? And then I'll put x squared, which is the answer, on top. Next, I'll multiply x squared by the 3x plus 1. And the result is 3x cubed plus 1x squared. And I'll write that underneath. And I'll make sure I line up the terms. So I'll put 3x cubed plus 1x squared. Okay, next, since we're subtracting, I'm going to change the signs of everything that I just wrote down in red. So I change it to a negative 3x cubed and a negative 1x squared. And now I can add down. So our 3x cubes cancel. Our negative 5x squared minus 1x squared gives us negative 6x squared. Now I'll carry down the 10x, just like we did in long division. Okay, and I kind of go through a repeat cycle now. So ask myself, 3x times what equals negative 6x squared? Put negative 2x on top. Multiply negative 2x by 3x plus 1. That result is negative 6x squared minus 2x. And I'll write this underneath. So negative 6x squared minus 2x. Now I'll change the signs because I'm subtracting and add down. So the negative 6x squared becomes positive and the negative 2x becomes positive. Adding down, my 6x squares cancel, or my negative 6x squares cancel. 10x plus 2x is 12x. Carry down the negative 3. Okay, repeat again. What times 3x equals 12x? Okay, write down or put 4 on top because 4 times 3x is 12x. Now we'll multiply 4 by 3x plus 1. And I get 12x plus 4, and I'll write that down. Now I'll change the signs and add down. So it becomes negative 12x minus 4. Adding, the 12x's cancel. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. Okay, can't bring anything more down. 3x does not go into negative 7. Okay, so our answer, our quotient, is x squared minus 2x plus 4. And the negative 7 is our remainder. So there's a couple ways that we can write this. We can write this as x squared minus 2x plus 4, remainder negative 7. Or we can write it as x squared minus 2x plus 4 plus, put the remainder over the divisor, negative 7 over 3x plus 1.